Get ready to ride the wave of opportunity with Waaree Energies IPO. Waaree Energies was incorporated in December 1990. They are one of the largest solar PV module manufacturer in India with an aggregate installed capacity of 12 gigawatts. Waaree Energies operates 5 manufacturing facilities in India spread over an area of 143 acres, which is located in Surat, Toom, Nandigram and Chikle, Gujarat, and the Indo Solar facility in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Some of its laboratories are accredited by NABL, which tests solar PV modules for quality check. The company expects to roll out locally manufactured electrolyzers by the end of financial year 2026. On the financial performance front, the company has posted a total income of 11,632 crore and a net profit of 1,274 crore for financial year 24. Subscriptions open on 21st of October and closed on 23rd of October. The issue size of the IPO is 4,321 crore. The price band for the IPO is 1427 to 15.3 per share with a market lot of 9 shares. The minimum application amount under retail category is just 13,527. So get your calendars marked now for this IPO. Stay connected with us. YES Securities, your partner in making a wise investment decision. Thank you.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.